Hello friends, this video will give you an idea about how to use the screencastomatic screen recorder software. For that, in the Google type screencastomatic. This is the official website. Click here. In this, it will ask two options, that is start recording for free and try our video editor. Now I move for the start recording for free. Again, two options it will ask, that is free launch recorder and upgrade recorder. This upgrade recorder is nothing but it is a paid version. So I am going to choose this launch free recorder. By clicking this, it will download and we can install. I have already installed. Now we will see about the software. See here. This is the software which I told. Now we will see some of the features of this software. Three different options, recording options are there: screen, webcam, both. This screen indicates it will record just the screen without webcam, and this webcam, select this one, see, it will select only the webcam, record only the content available in the webcam and not the screen. And this one, we will have both the screen and the webcam here. These are the options available. Now I am going to take this screen alone. And this is a maximum time. The maximum time is only 15 minutes since it is a free version. If you want to have more time limit, means we can upgrade this software. The size is, again we have four different choices. 480. 480, the screen will look small. If you choose 720, little bit bigger. If you want, you can select the active window or full screen. Now I am selecting the full screen. Yes. These are the options in this software. Now we will start recording with the help of a PowerPoint presentation. I will give a demo. See here, just close this one. Now I am opening a PowerPoint presentation. See here. This I am going to record by using this software. See here, this is the record option, both for starting purpose and to stop. Once you click this record option, we will have a countdown. See here, 3, 2, 1. Students, today we will see about the intellectual disability. In this we will see about the definitions of mentally retarded, the integrated educable mentally retarded, the types of mental retardation, the remedial programs by the parents at home, and the role of the teachers. Yes. We have finished the recording. Just I am going to close this one. Now I will show you the preview. Click here. Today we will say about the intellectual disability. In this we will say about the definitions of mental retarded, yes, I will close this one. And if you want, you can make use of this. If you don't want, means you can delete by using this delete option. If you click delete everything and start over in the meaning, again it will start recording. I am going to save this one by clicking done. Here there are three different options: save, upload, quick share, edit video. Now we will save. It will ask the options save as a video file or upload to screencastomatic or upload to YouTube. Now I am going to save as a video file. In this video file, again it asks the file name. I am going to give the file name screencastomatic. Here it is a place to select our folders. We can also browse here. I have already selected IQAC lecture and now I am going to publish this one. This video file will get published. Once it gets published, we can view in the folder where we have selected. Click done. Now I am closing all the thing. Now I am going to the folder IQAC lecture. In this IQAC lecture, see here screencastomatic. Click here. The recorded file will be available here.
Today we will say about the intellectual disability. In this we will say about the definitions of mental talent.
Friends, I hope that you have understand very well about how to use the screencastomatic screen recorder.